Turn the lights on. One bottle, four hands, two bodies, and three orgasms. Two for you, one for me. That's all I need.
She came
one
twice, I came last.
Four hands, two bodies, three orgasms.
She came twice, I came last.
Numbers don't lie.
Okay, y'all, so what's up? I'm just waking up. Got that Butta Unit 20 cracking for you. We about to see what it do a couple days later. As you know, I like to review a couple days later. If you like videos like this, remember like, comment, and subscribe. Again, like I said, I'm just waking up, so don't mind me, okay? Don't come for me. But Butta Unit number 20. It's a little thinner than I thought it was gonna be until I got a unit on my head. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like in just a moment, but we're gonna get into the details. Okay, so it is a T part. It has lace here, lace here. It is a T part, okay? Now, it does come as a middle part that you have to keep exactly how it is. It says virtually undetectable lace, which I've seen better with some of their units, but 7 out of 10, I guess, on that. Blends with most skin tones. That it does ear lace with 5-inch deep parting. The deep parting only goes, I'll say maybe 4 inches, only because I'll show you as well what it looks like once I take it off. Pre-plucked with baby hair along the hairline, yes, but you know I push that back. I did pluck very little. There isn't a lot of space to pluck, but like I said, I always pluck wherever it is I can because it gives me a better hold. The length, I want to say, is maybe 26 inches. Wearing the unit though, it is a tangler, so I did have to do a technique that I will link in the description box, as well as I'll link in the video right up above. So let's go ahead and get into taking this off. Okay, like I said, this is the second day of my install. This is what it looks like literally right after I woke up. Please don't mind my burn. I burned myself installing this joint. But as you can see, like, the lace is cool, you know what I mean? It's not that bad, as you can see. Also, since I feathered it, this is just what it looks like coming out of my hair thing. That's it, no brushing or nothing. That's what it looks like, okay? Hard to manage a little if you don't do the technique I've shown you. As you can see, I'm able to brush through it now. And the reason is because I did the shearing technique that I was shown a while ago. And so, yeah, try that. It'll give you less knots, less all of that. You know what I'm saying? And you can brush it without water. You normally can't brush it without water. See how that's looking? See how it looks once you brush it. I did end up wearing a sweater with it. So that's why it looks a little nappy. But as you can see, I can brush through it. See? Bomb color. I got her in the BALAYAGE Caramel. It comes in multiple colors. 1B, 1B, 2 BALAYAGE Caramel, Chocolate Gold, Hazelnut Mocha, T1B4, and T2 350. So, Comes in a bunch of different variety of colors. I like this BALAYAGE Caramel for the Butta Unit 20, as well as the Butta Unit 29. Oh my gosh, the BALAYAGE Caramel pops in certain units because of the way they put them layers, okay? Now look, see, popping. Like I said, I just woke up and I'm still able to, 2 days later, even be a little rough with it. You see me? The install was rather easy. I can't say it was a hard install. It didn't take very long at all. I did glue it down completely with the Evan glue because I want a longer lasting hold. The lace, like I said, was very easy to adhere. It's soft. It's not digging in my scalp or nothing. I did install a cap as well. I love these curls, okay. I did install a cap as well with the unit because of the fact of it being the brighter color. Whenever I wear a brighter color and I don't want to install a cap, it looks funny, so I install a cap every time. See what I mean by it's a tangler? It does tangle, but watch when you put water on it. This is what it does when you put that water on it. Please don't try and brush your unit out without doing the technique I shown you and using water. I just did this to show y'all that you can do it without water once you do the technique of detangling it by using your shearing scissors and creating layers, creating natural layers in your synthetic unit. Now, pros, she's super cute. I like the butterfly idea they had going on. When I first got it though, it was really, really curly. So I flat ironed a little bit of it out and blow dried a little bit of it out so that I don't have to have tremendous curls. I wanted waves as well, like that, you see. So, this is how she looks. Overall, I give her, a 9 out of 10 because, well, I'll say an 8 out of 10 because you gotta do some things to make sure it doesn't end up looking ugly on the ends. And you gotta use water when you brush it. You gotta know a little bit about these synthetic units in order to finesse it. I did pluck it off camera and things like that. Let me get out of it. It is so pretty, I promise. I feel tracks in the back when you separate it. I don't know if you can see the tracks in the back when you separate it, but I can feel them. So I just kept it like this. Made sure it was blow like out, and then brought it to the side. You just brush it out like that. I'm gonna add a little bit more water and just brush it out. Like that. Okay? And that is Butta Unit 20. And she's cute to me. So, as far as cuteness is concerned, go and get her. As far as lace, go and get her. You wanna do something quick. This unit, I installed this unit within 40 minutes. And I was like in a rush, I had to go, baby, okay? That's why I couldn't show you a whole bunch of the install because I had to go. But she's pretty, she's voluptuous. Brush them curls out, put it to the back. Make that little area up here. little bit more going to the back because I like my hair going to the back. And then bring it forward. See? Again, if you like videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe. And go check out Butta Lace motherfucking 20. Okay? See you soon.
Hands to bodies, reorganize.
I came twice, I came last.